Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and the final episode of my no-bake desserts. On the menu today we have pineapple ginger pots. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. What are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's go! Woo-hoo! Let's get our pan nice and hot on with fire. And we have it on medium, low at the moment. And we're gonna get that nice and warm before we add a bit of coconut oil to the pan. With some coconut oil. Going in with 2 cups of fresh pineapple, tablespoon of brown sugar, teaspoon ginger, and the squeezed lime juice. Now that it's all combined, we're going to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes or until it's nice and caramelized. So I shall see you back in a little bit. Right, this is looking beautiful and caramelized. We're going to switch the heat off. We're going to put it aside and let it cool whilst I whip up the cream. In with a cup of coconut cream and 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now we're going to whisk until nice and fluffy and creamy. We've whipped the cream. This is what is looking nice and creamy and fluffy. Let's give it another little quick one. Let's move on and make the crumble. Let's make the crumble. 1/2 cup of oats, but that's crispy oats. And we've got here 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. We have 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to put a good shake of ginger and a good sprinkling of ground cinnamon. I'm going to give this a mix. And once this is thoroughly mixed through, I'm going to pop this in the air fryer for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes to get a nice crispy crumbly topping for our pineapple ginger pots. You could do them in the oven if you like as well. You're going to get them nice and golden. Okay, let's finish off our cream mix. Add some vanilla, about a teaspoon, and a splash of cinnamon. I'm just going to fold that in until it's nicely combined. And you will note that the coconut cream is not as stiff as if you'd used normal cream. Let's layer up. I'm using this size to layer up, or you can use something like this or something like this. Right, we're going in with some pineapple. Look how beautiful and golden that is looking. Just going to taste amazing. And now we are going in with some of our whipped cream, soft whipped cream. Now for some crumble. And we're going to repeat the process. And we're going to continue until we reach to the top of the glass. There you go, guys. Now we're going to dress them with a bit of toasted coconut shaving. And maybe just a little extra sprinkling of the toasted crumble. This is looking amazing. Let's decorate with some mint leaf for the brightness and freshness. Wow, I think that is looking amazing. How beautiful are these looking? And there you have it, guys, my golden pineapple ginger creamy coconut crumbly pots. How gorgeous are those looking? Give us a like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes. Enjoy. Peace out. Wow, look at this. This is so delicious. Look at that, guys. How creamy and scrumptious this is looking.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and